सर्वदा रविंद बंधु चित्तबन्दिनी पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी हरिवारिधारयामि नन्दितोलुकण्डव पुण्डरीकमण्डलोय मन्दजारि तण्डव स्नानकाम पापरोग पाप सम्पदन्दिनी मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी शीघ्रमभिनष्टजन्तु श्रीविपथमादिनी नन्दनन्दयन्तरङ्ग भक्तिपूर्वभागिनी वीरसङ्गमाभिलाष मङ्गलानुबन्दिनी मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी दीप्रचक्रिवल्लजस्तशब्दसिन्धुवेदिनी श्रीमुकुन्द निर्मतोरुदिव्यकेलिवेदिनी कान्तिकान्तनीलगिन्द्रनीलवृन्दनन्दिनी मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी मथुरेण मण्डलेन चरणाभिवन्दिता प्रेमनाद वैष्णवाभवर्धनाय पण्डिता ऊर्मिदोर्विलासपादनाभपादवन्दिनी मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी राम्यतीररम्भमान गोकदम्बभूषिता दिव्यगन्धवाक्कदम्ब पुष्पराजिरुषिता नन्दसूनुभक्तसङ्गसङ्गमाभिनन्दिनी मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी कुलपक्ष मालिकाक्ष हंसलक्ष पूजिता भक्तिविद्देव सिद्ध किन्नराजपूजिता नीलगन्धवाहगन्ध जन्मबन्धरन्दिनी मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी चिद्विलासवारिपुरपूर्वस्वरापिनी कीर्तितापि दोर्मदोरुपापमर्मतापिनी बालवेन्द्रनन्दनङ्गरागवङ्गकन्दिनी मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी पुष्पपुरी अष्टकेन निर्मलोमिचैस्थितं कमलेन भानुपुत्री सर्वदेव वेष्टितं यस्तवेति वर्धयस्व सर्वपापमोचने भक्तिपूरमस्य देवी पुण्डरीकालोचने मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी मां पुनः सर्वदारविन्द बन्धु नन्दिनी बोलो जय जमुने जय जमुने बोलो जमुना महारानी जय जमुना महारानी यमुना महारानी जय विशाखा देवी देवीं गुणमयीं ललितां ललितां नमामि देवीं गुणमयीं ललितां ललितां नमामि राधा मुकुन्द पदवसं भवघर्मबिन्दु निर्वञ्चनोपारणीकृतदेहलक्ष्यम् उत्तङ्गचरितविशेषवसाप्रगलं देवीं गुणैः ललितां ललितां नमामि राधासुधाकिरणां दलयन्ति दण्डी वक्त्राश्रियञ्चलितचारुचमूरनेत्रं राधाप्रसादनानकाप्रसिद्धं देवीं गुणैः ललितां ललितां नमामि लास्यो रसदुपात्रचित्र पातां सुखां वारणं पंचैकञ्चिताङ्गीं गोरोचनारुचिविगहनगौरिमानं देवीं गुणैः ललितां ललितां नमामि दूते व्रजेन्द्रतनये तनुषुष्टुवाम्यं मादाक्षिणा भवकलङ्किनी राघवाय राधे गिरां शृणुतां शिक्षयन्तीं देवीं गुणेषु ललितां ललितां नमामि राधामभिव्रजपते कृतात्मजेन भूतं मनकविविलोक्य विलोहिताक्षिम्
वाग्भङ्गविष्टास्तव अजेन विलाज्जयन्ते
देवीं गुणेषु ललितां ललितां नमामि वत्सल्यवृन्दवसतिं पशुपालरज्ञा सख्यानुशिक्षणकरशूरं सखीनां राधाबलावरचीवितानिविशेषं देवीं गुणेषु ललितां ललितां नमामि कामभिव्रजकुले वृषभानुजाया प्रेक्ष्य स्वपक्षपदवीम् अनुरायमानम् सद्यस्तदिष्टगगनेन कीर्तयन्ति देवीं गुणेषु ललितां ललितां नमामि राधाव्रजेन्द्रसुतसङ्गमारङ्गचर्यां वर्यां विनिश्चितवतीम् अखिलसर्वेभ्यः तं गोकुलप्रियसखी निरुपममुखम् देवीं गुणेषु ललितां ललितां नमामि नन्दनमुनि ललिता गुणलालितानि पदानि यपति निर्मलदृष्टिरस्तु प्रीत्या विकसति जनम् निजवृन्दमध्ये तं कृतापति कुञ्जवचोज्ज्वलकल्पवाली देवीं गुणेषु ललितां ललितां नमामि देवीं गुणेषु ललितां ललितां नमामि
जय ललिता देवी जय ललिता देवी ललिता देवी जय ललिता देवी जय ललिता देवी जय ललिता देवी
ललिता देवी जय ललिता देवी
नन्दनन्दनं
नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं चारुवक्त्रमण्डलं सुवर्णरत्नकुण्डलं सुचरिताम्रचन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं सुदीर्घनेत्रपङ्कजं श्रीकान्तमूर्धजम् अनङ्गकोटिसोहनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं सुजासिकाग्रमोक्तिकं स्वच्छन्ददन्तपुङ्किकं नवम्बुदाङ्गशीलनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं रञ्जितं गतिकरेन्द्ररञ्जितं दुर्गुलवीरशोभनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नन्दनन्दनसुन्दरं नखदिकीसुधाकरम् अमूल्यरत्नभूषणं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं
सुखप्रदायकं जगन्मनं प्रलोभनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं श्रीनन्दनन्दनाष्टकं पठेद्यशादयान्वितं हरेर्भवानि दुष्करं लभेतदङ्घ्रियुग्मनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनन्दते विलोकशोकहारिणि प्रसन्नवक्त्रपङ्कजे निकुञ्जभूविलासिनि ब्रजेन्द्रभानुनन्दिनि ब्रजेन्द्रसूनुसङ्गते तदाकरीशश्रियमं कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अशोकवृक्षवल्लरी वितानमन्दपष्टिते प्रवल्लवल्लपल्लव प्रवरुणाङ्गिकोमले वरभयस्फुरत्कुरे प्रभूतसम्पदालये तदाकरीशश्रियमं कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अनङ्गरङ्गमङ्गलं प्रसङ्गमङ्गुराभ्रुवं सविभ्रमं ससम्भ्रमं दिगन्तमानपतने निरन्तरं वशीकृतं प्रतीतिनन्दनन्दने तदाकरीशश्रियमं कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् सुवर्णचम्पकं प्रदीप्तगोरविग्रहे मुक्ताप्रभापराष्टकोटिशारदेन्दुमन्दरे विचित्रचित्रसञ्चरो चकोरसवरोचने तदाकरीशश्रियमं कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अशेषं यौवने प्रमोदमानमन्दिते प्रियानुरागरञ्जिते कलाविलासपण्डिते अनन्यदन्यकुञ्जराजकामखेरिकोविदे तदाकरीशश्रियमं कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् भावभावजीरहीरहारभूषिते प्रभूतशातकुम्भकुम्भकुम्भिकुम्भसुष्टनि प्रशस्तमन्दहास्यचूर्णपूर्णसौख्यसागरे तदाकरीशश्रियमं कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् वल्लरीतरङ्गरङ्गदोलते लताग्रराज्यलोलनीललोचनावलोकने हरीशश्रियमं कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् Guna Viratna Dipti Sarola Nila Kuntala Prasuna Gucha Gumpite Kadakari Shashiyama Kripa Kataksha Bhajana Vitamba Bimbalam Panana Pushpame Kalagune Prashasta Radma Kinkini Kalapamadya Manjule Karindra Sundra Dandika Varohaso Bhagoruke Karakari Shashiyama Kataksha Bhajana Aneka Mantrana Manjunu Purana की जय।
जय जय
श्री राधे।
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरहरे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्ते तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव्यै प्रियायै केशवस्य कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्तावीनापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्तश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नां वृन्दे नमस्ते श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्रीगौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Translate to her. Listen something.
Yeah, my mom just went to Haripriya. She is left here in nearby. You know Haripriya?
Oh, she's here.
Yes.
Yes, Haripriya is here.
Oh, but why they
She's checking why she is not coming.
Oh, she's not
Strange.
coming to Mangalarti.
Yeah,
No.
strange.
Maybe
The alarm did not work.
door closed. She's sleeping here.
In the house up there.
Next room.
Near same
Oh.
We
place.
share the same bathroom.
Oh,
She couldn't get into the bathroom because the door was locked yesterday. So she wanted to go and see Govinda to get the key to go through.
maybe again door locked and not come up.
Really?
No.
I don't know.
So, she couldn't get into the bathroom.
Oh, it's strange, eh?
Strange, yes.
Oh, I didn't tell. Maybe should we wake up in the morning walk? Oh, no, So continue. We also discuss this Vajendasa. First jam sadhan, Nishanta Lila, Shraddha.
Continuiamo a parlare del Bhajana Rasya, il primo capitolo che parla della fede di Shraddha.
Simultaneously can take.
Ah, simultaneously, while you speaking.
Otherwise, take time. So,
Traduzione simultanea. Proviamo.
so continue. We also discuss this thing. Yesterday we also discussed there are two kinds of devotee. One is called Jata Sanskar, Jata Ruchi, another is Ajasta Ruchi. Jata Ruchi means Ruti manifested one's heart, is called Jata Ruti Sadhak. The Jata Ruti Sadhak can also meditate the pastimes of God. And that is called Lila Smarak. Yesterday I told who is qualified to meditate the pastimes of Krishna. Actually, one who attains the stage of Bhavadasa, then spontaneous all Krishna's Leelas manifested in his heart, and he is qualified to meditate the pastimes of Lord. If Rati not manifested one's heart, he should not to imitate Lila Smaran. Yeah, this is also offenses of Radha. Or another, then you will be fall down also. Yeah. Because remembrance of Lila Smaran, and that is spontaneous karma. When your heart completely free from all kinds of anartha, that is called anartha nivritti. That is spontaneous Krishna's Leelas, according your transcendental constitution of Siddha Deha. And Dasa Sakha Vatsala and Madhurya Bhav. That specific Leela then will manifest in your heart. So our Shastra is saying, Adhikara Nalabhiya Siddha Deha Bhavi Viparjaya Buddhita Shakti Bhavi. If you are not free from the anartha nivritti, that means not free from lust, anger, kam, krodh. So how possible you will meditate Radha Krishna's very confidential Aramas pastimes? Not possible. And if you by force you will do, then you will become Sahajiya, or you will become impartialist, or you will become completely hurt, visceral, materialistic. Three things you will become. These are Shastra saying this. So saying this word, Adhikar Nalabhiya Siddha Deva Bhavi Viparjaya Buddhitar Shakti Bhavi. If you have not qualification to remembrance Ashtakali Lila of Radha and Krishna, just you imitate, then big problem will come. Then you lose your spiritual life. Not only spiritual, you also lose also material life. Both you will lose. So for this regard, our scriptures explain this very carefully. Vibhajana and sadha. So just as I explained, two kinds of devotees. Devotee, one is called Jatarati Sadhak, another is called Ajatarati Sadhak. Ajatarati Sadhak try to remove all his anartha from his heart. And how to attain the spiritual mood of the eternal associate of Krishna. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this Grantha very nicely explained. The Jatarati Sadhak, when they are chanting holy name, the spontaneous Krishna's Leelas, Ashtakan Leelas manifest in their heart. That is called Savhaviki. Savhaviki means natural, spontaneously. And another is called Buddhi Purvika. Buddhi Purvika means with your intelligent you are doing. That is called Buddhi Purvika. So Lila Smaran should not Buddhi Purvika. Lila Smaran should be Sabhaviki. Otherwise, imaginary will come. Actually, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, when you chant holy names, then spontaneous, all Leelas will manifest. Simultaneously, all Leelas manifest in your heart. So for this regard, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu very clearly explained, Sadhaka Rupena Siddha Rupena Chatra Hi. Sadhak Rup and Siddha Rup. Yesterday I told. Sadhaka Rupena, according to his practice form, Sadhaka Rupena. And he follows all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. Sankha Purvaka Nama Gana Nativi Kala Avasana Krita Nidra Ahara Vihar Ladivichatu Vidiku Chatman Junachayo Radha Krishna Gunusmriti Madhurena Anandina Sanmohito Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Sijigo Gopalako. As our Goswamis, 6 Goswamis, in the Sadhak Rupa, they perform bhajan inside. A Siddha Rupena, that means one who realizes he turns into constitutional form. Then spontaneous, last manifest in this heart. So very careful in this. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, those who are the high class, advanced devotee, when they chant holy name, then Krishna Lila manifests in their heart. And yesterday I told two kinds of also upasana. One is called Sarasik upasana, and another is called Mantramai upasana. Remember this. Sarasik upasana, those who are the advanced devotee attain in Ruti and Bhav Dasa, according to their own rasas of Atma. Then spontaneous that rasas, leelas manifest in their heart. That is called Sarasiki, and spontaneous going. Or Mantramai upasana, and sadhak chanting holy names. And remembering Krishna's sweet names, Madhurja name. Sri Krishna, Govinda, Gopal, Madan Mohan, Samsundi. And according to the Krishna's the sweet names, that Leela automatically coming in his heart. Or Mantramai Upasana, one mantras means slokas of Shastra. You collect and chant holy name. First start from Upadesamritam. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Vacha vegam manasa krodha vegam jiya vegam udara upastha vegam. Etan vegam jo vishate dera sarvang pivang pradiving sasitsat. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Don't you think only this is sloka? This is also mantra, powerful. Because Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote this sloka, verse, and same power inside India. And every day we chant this mantra. Which mantra? Vacha vegam manasa krodha vegam jiya vegam udara upastha vegam. Etan vegam jo vishati dhira sarvam premam priving sasisa. Attahara prasasya prajalva niyamagra janasangascha lolanja sadavi bhakti prasita vinasati utsadrischa darjat tat karma pravartana sangatyaga sato vritti sadavi bhakti prasiddhati. This is not only sloka, this is also mantra. Mantra means is the mystic power. So if you chant these slokas, mantras, then automatically so much energy, Shakti will come. Chant holy names and chant these types of mantras, slokas. Then you more step by step you advance your bhajan and sadhan. Then collect all the sweet verses of our Goswami's Grantha. You collect the sweet verses, slokas from all our Goswami's Grantha. Bilap Pushpanjali Granthas, you can collect step by step. First you start Manasiksha, Upadesamritam, Manasiksha, Sikshastak, these slokas. Then coming step by step you can advance all the Goswamis Grantha slokas. Give an example. If you want make one very nice beautiful garland, what will do? First you collect the different types of flowers. And take one basket, go to the garden, and the garden very nice, beautiful gardens, and there are many kinds of blossom flowers. You can collect. Then you bring your house and take thread and needle, and very carefully, and you also make nice garland and design of the garland, and after making the garland, that garland you offer to different to Radha and Krishna. Radha Krishna Pranamur Jugal Kishora Jivane Marane Goti Aranahi Mura Gathiya Malatir Mala Divo Tuhar Gale Adhare Tolia Divo Purpura Tambule Gathia Malatir Mala. External singing. Okay, I will collect the Malati flowers and make garlands, and that garlands offer to divine couple Radha and Krishna. This is the external. Internally is what? This servicing. How to collect all the sweet prayers, verses composed by our Goswami's Grantha. That garland offered to Radha and Krishna. Actually, that flowers coming from our Goswamis, and same flowers we offer to Goswamis. There are Bengali words saying that Ganga Jale Ganga Puja.
Ganga Jale Ganga Puja.
Ganga Jale Ganga Puja. If you worship to Devi Ganga, how to worship Devi Ganga? And Ganges?
With Ganga water.
With Ganga water. Ganga's water not yours. Ganga's water her. And again you also offer to her. In the same way our Goswamis, they manifested that sweet verses from their granthas. And just you make very nice garland verses and offer to Goswamis. Offer to Gurudev. Then Gurudev offer to that will depend on Radha and Krishna. We cannot direct offer to Radha and Krishna. If you make the garland, you cannot direct offer to Radha and Krishna. You offer to Gurudev, Gurudev will give. Rupa Manjari will give to Lalita Devi, Lalita Devi she will give to Srimati Radhika. This is the process. One day I also told very nice beautiful slokas of Rupa Goswami, Radhika Ashtakam, Vividha Kusuma Binne, Dhammuladhari, Vigudu Madhugunno, Keki Pinchi Prasasti, Madhurva Vimbodiganna, Tamularagas, Puratamula Kapalam, Radhika Archayami. Actually, this sloka is yours, composed by Rupa Goswami. I offer to Gurudev. Then Gurudev offer to Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami offer to Lalita Devi. And Sarv Damodar. Sarv offer to Radha. This is the process actually. So Mantramai Upasana, first you collect the one mantras of the Goswamis. This is the process. For this regard, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Bhajan Rahasya, those who are advanced devotee, how they develop more and more their bhajan, sadhana bhajan, and so much release, rasas will come. Only chant holy names, your tongue will be not releases. Chant holy names with Krishna's madhurya sweet names, then so much release come. Ananda will come. Haridas Thakur, he also chanted holy name. How many rounds? 3 lakhs holy name. 192 rounds. Haridas Thakur, he every day chanted. But our Goswamis, how many rounds chanted? 64 rounds. Gurudev told. And Mahaprabhu, how many rounds he chanted? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Then Mahaprabhu chanted. Look this. When you more advanced, then you so much Harinam will give so much release. Bliss, Ananda. Chanting holy name, then so much bliss, Ananda will come. Because Harinam is called the embodiment of bliss, Anandamaya. This is the process also. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Bhajan Rahasya, every chapter, every jam sadhan, last he also quoted one verse from Govinda Lilamrita. And remembering all Krishna's one and pastimes Lila. Try to understand this philosophy also. Your heart will be so much release, Ananda will come. 2 things. One Tattva Siddhanta or another Rasa Siddhanta. Only Tattva, maybe your heart will be as like dry. Nirasa will die. dry.
si secca,
Eh?
il cuore si inaridisce.
And only rasas,
Eppure solo il raso,
then
solo i
you cannot
sentimenti,
release also.
e anche lì non va
Mellows.
bene. Perché
So
non
need
è
things are
sentimentale,
Tattva
è
Siddhanta
mentale.
and
Quindi deve
Rasa
essere tutti e
Siddhanta.
due. E quindi
our
rasa.
Goswamis, they manifested these things,
Goswami
two things.
hanno
One is called Rasa Siddhanta,
sia-
a Tattva Siddhanta,
sia
another is called
il tattva
Rasa
che il
Siddhanta.
rasa, quindi sia la teoria che
Tattva
i
means philosophy.
sentimenti spirituali.
Rasa means mellows.
Rasa significa il nettare.
Coming. Jiva Goswami Pad very clearly explained.
Sì.
Tattva Siddhanta is as a
La
foundation.
teoria, la tattva, la filosofia,
And Rasa Siddhanta,
invece
a big
il rasa, i
palace.
sentimenti
If you
spirituali.
build big palace,
Se
need is a foundation, strong
molto
foundation,
grande, ci vuole
concrete.
un fondamento molto
Eh?
forte.
In the same way, if you have no Tattva
Se non
Siddhanta,
c'è la-
you cannot
il fondamento della
build the
filosofia,
Big
non si può costruire
palace
quindi
of Rasas Madhurya.
soprattutto
So both need
conoscere
Tattva
questi
Siddhanta
sentimenti
and
spirituali.
Rasa
Quindi
Siddhanta.
entrambi sono necessari.
So here how will our heart will be so much saras. Saras means
Quindi come facciamo
Ready.
a rendere il
Eh?
nostro cuore adatto a gustare queste cose spirituali?
mellows coming,
I sentimenti
remembering sweet pastimes of Radha and
arrivano,
Krishna.
se si
Here
ricordano
Bhaktivinoda
queste
Thakur also
sentimenti
explained this verse. Ratrante trasta brinderita bahu bahu vidoti and hirasari padde upi sukha san abdado to sakhi sukat sakhi bhi drishto दृष्टो हिष्टो तदात्मविदितो ललितो कक्खटिगी शंको राधा कृष्णो सतृष्णोपि निज निज धामनंत तल्पो स्मरामि गोविंद लामित ग्रंथ this verse Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained it simple way. Last night Radha and Krishna they performed sweet Dharma's pastimes, Rasa Lila. So Radha and Krishna they become very tired. They are taking rest and in the bank of Jomuna and one very nice beautiful kunja. Yogamaya Vrindadevi, she arranged very nice beautiful kunja for divine of Lord Radha and Krishna. So they are taking rest and deep sleep. And Radha Krishna taking rest in that the kunja look like two flowers blossom. One is called one blue lotus and another is called golden lotus. So golden lotus and blue lotus they are completely what? Attached to each other. And that kunja completely what? Illuminated with the complexion of Radha and Krishna. Because Krishna's body's complexion is called the Ujjal Lilmani, blue lotus. Srimati Radhika's body's complexion is like golden complexion. So now blue and golden complexion both are mixed together. And both are deeply and embraced to each other and sleep. But here about to dawn. That means eastern side illuminated. That is called Brahma Murta. Then before sun rises, 1 hour 36 minutes, that is called Brahma Murta. That is called the end of night. Then soon Brajavasis, they will come out from their house. So for this regard, Vrindadevi is very anxious and anxiety. If the Brajavasis come out from their house, and anyhow they will come this place on the bank of Jomuna, and if they will see the Radha Krishna, they are sleeping together in that kunja, then big problem will come. Big propaganda. Big fire will come, whole Braj. So for this regard, Vrindadevi, she thinking how they will wake up. For this regard, Vrindadevi first she gives the hints, the rooster.
Giallo.
Cocorco. Then they roasted and chicken and making the sound cocorco. As like the Vedas mantra. Very nice people. Long,
Questo
this
gallo
called
non
tune.
canta come i nostri, fa una tonalità come
This
gli
is-
vedici.
Then one Sakhi of Srimati Radhika.
Poi un'amica di Radhika.
She become very angry with the
si arrabbia
chicken.
con il
Hey
gallo.
chicken, why you are
Con il
making
gallo.
sound?
Perché
Don't
perché
disturb
questo suono? Non
the
disturbare
sleepness.
il sonno
Eh.
di Radha Krishna.
My Sakhi is Srimati Radhika.
Mhm.
Because last
Va la
night
mia amica perché
they
ieri notte
became tired. Now taking rest.
cantava molto.
And if you make this sound,
se finisce
then-
a cantare
they cannot sleep properly.
possono dormire bene.
Eh? Then she also gives a curse to the roasted chicken. Hey,
E allora
again you
gli dice,
will make sound, then
se
you will go
continui a
to
cantare, andrai
Jamaloka.
all'inferno.
Eh?
Chiamalo.
Jamaloka means you understand.
Spaventare.
Then maybe Muslim cut your neck and make sabji.
L'inferno lui intende
Eh?
che ci sono i
Cut it.
musulmani,
Don't-
loro ti mangiano poi.
Tagliano la testa.
Understand?
Senza minaccia.
And India mostly
Yes.
Muslims they are
In
eating
India i musulmani
chicken.
mangiano la gallina.
Other castes also eating, but mostly
No.
mainly
Principalmente sono loro
for this regard.
i fan della
She
gallina.
chastised it. Hey,
Quindi lei per spaventarlo
don't you make
gli
sound.
dice stai zitto, guarda che sennò
Then
porto
the
dei
chicken.
musulmani.
Stop.
Quindi immediatamente
Eh,
si è fermato.
Afraid. Then Vrindadevi Siti is still Srimati Radhika
No, ma
She is embracing to
svegliare,
Krishna
sono abbracciati ancora,
and
dormono,
deep sleeps.
e dormono
Eh.
profondamente.
Then Vrindadevi
Quindi Vrindadevi
she gave
dà loro
hints to the small birds.
piccoli uccellini,
Eh?
passerotti.
Then small birds are making the sound
cominciano
chirping
a cinguettare.
and making the sound with their small
Wing.
wings.
Cominciano anche tutti a svolazzare, fanno tutti questo rumore, no? Nell'aria.
Eh? But Radha and Krishna,
Ma Radha e Krishna sono
so
sempre
tired.
addormentati.
They cannot open their
Non vogliono aprire gli occhi.
eyes. Eh? Then Vrindadevi thinking, what will do now?
Vrindadevi è sempre più
Still Radha
preoccupata.
Krishna they are sleeping. Eh? According to the hints of Vrindadevi, then one old sea monkey, her name
Allora
is
poi
Pakoti,
Vrindadevi chiama Caccata,
Eh?
un albero,
she
scimmia
came very
anziana,
close to
che arriva
Kunjas of
vicino
Radha and
al
Krishna
boschetto di Radha e
and making
Krishna.
sound.
Comincia a fare quel suono delle
Eh?
scimmie.
Because this is the nature of the monkey, Pakoti.
To disturb.
Eh? Then one Sakhi of Srimati Radhika,
Allora,
she told,
un'amica di Radhika dice,
Hey Ramana Manjari,
Ramana Mangiari,
look, Radha and Krishna they are taking rest. This is your duty.
il tuo dovere
Yeah,
è
you should
quello
go
di tenere
and
a
stop.
bada le scimmie.
That is sea monkey. She is making disturbance, the sleepiness. Eh? Radha and Krishna. Then Ramana Manjari she took on stick.
Quindi questa Ramana Mangiari prende un
Chastise it. Hey, cockatoo.
e fa andare via
Then
la
cockatoo
scimmia.
means sea monkey, see? Is.
Run.
Still Radha Krishna is.
Però Radha e Krishna
Taking
si erano
rest.
ancora svegliati.
Eh? Or he had slowly
E intanto,
Eastern side
piano piano
about.
sta diventando chiaro.
illuminated.
Mm.
Vrindadevi is
Vrindadevi
thinking, what will I do now? This is my duty. This is my service. How Radha and Krishna, they should wake up and return back there.
tornare a casa in tempo
home.
che nessuno li veda.
Yeah? This is the Vrindadevi seva.
Questo è il servizio di Vrindadevi.
Understand? But Radha and Krishna, they are sleeping. As like parents, what is their service to their children?
You have to
Il
wake
Children
them up.
servizio
should
dei genitori ai
wake
figli
up on
cos'è?
time.
Wake up on
Svegliarsi
time, they are
in tempo per
babies.
scuola.
Otherwise, bus will go away.
The
Then the
school
baby will
bus.
sleep.
Miss
Eh?
the
School
The school bus miss. So the parents' duty is there.
I genitori devono
But
svegliarsi.
sometimes a parent, children are they very
A
clever.
volte i bambini sono-
They don't want to
non vogliono
wake up.
svegliarsi.
Eh?
Feel some pain.
Dicono no,
Sometimes
mangiano tanto.
children they don't want to go to school sometimes.
Vanno a scuola,
Eh? Mom, I cannot go. Mom. Hey, no, your bus is coming. Have to
Quickly.
quickly wake
Get
up. Go to the bathroom and take bath.
brush it.
Give the breakfast and very nice sweet words, giving the sweet
Quindi se
basket.
uno sta in ritardo, deve fare-
Then baby very happy.
aspetta la
Then
colazione,
very quickly
correre, no?
dress,
Per arrivare-
school dress,
vestirti.
and going to catch
Arrivare alla
the
fermata
school
del
bus.
pullman.
In the same way, Vrindadevi is her duty this. The Radha Krishna, they should live at the
Fare
Kunja.
in modo che lasciano il Kunja in tempo.
But Radha and Krishna can't open their
Krishna
eyes.
non riescono ad aprire gli occhi.
Then Vrindadevi, she gave the hints to the, what is called? She parrot and he parrot.
Allora Vrindadevi passa alla fase del pappagallo.
Papagayis.
Pappagallo.
Then they are very nice, sweet. And according to the train of Vrindadevi, they also quoted, they also recited very nice, sweet
Questi pappagalli però non sono normali.
slokas.
Loro riescono
The meaning of these
a fare
slokas,
dei versi in sanscrito.
the
Gli ha
sun,
insegnato Vrindadevi.
Vrindadevi gli ha insegnato.
the sun ray is coming.
Il primo raggio di sole sta per sorgere.
Hey Gokulo Bandhu,
E loro
who is the
dicono,
friends of the Gokul Vasi?
tu sei l'amico,
Please wake up.
per favore alzati.
That this Sanskrit or actual this sloka is coming in this way. The rays of the sun, in the morning rays of the sun, that is called
Mattina, il raggio di sole
Jyotil.
è chiamata Jyotila
Jyotil.
Oh.
Jyotil
in
means
sanscrito.
the first rays of the sun, that is called
Jyotila è il
Jyotil.
primo raggio di sole che sorge.
Gokula Bandhu. Hey Gokul Bandhu, he is the friends of the all Gokul Vasi.
Amico di tutti.
Please wake up.
Gokula.
Look, the rays of
The first rays.
first rays of the sun is coming.
Il primo raggio
So
di
please
sole
wake up.
sta arrivando.
They are very nice, sweet way and poetic way.
Sono
They are
tutte
singing.
delle metafore
Then
poetiche.
Srimati Radhika,
Allora Radhika
she actually wake up but cannot to open her
si è svegliata.
eyes. But this word is come entered in her ears. What is that ears?
Jyotil.
Jyotil. But she's so much afraid of the Jyotila, she's thinking Jyotila has come.
Però Jyotila
Her
chi è? È
mother-in-law.
la sua
Eh?
suocera.
Her mother-in-law.
Her mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Jyotila Kutila has come. Mother-in-law. Then Srimati Radhika, she is afraid. Very quickly, she
Jumped up.
jumped out.
Immediatamente si è alzata.
Wake up. Then first, then all the Manjari, Rupa Manjari and others, the first they
Tutte le
entered
mangiari, le sue
in the
amiche
kunja
segretatrici sono entrate dentro
Radha and
lo
Krishna,
stesso
and they are very nicely dressed Radha Krishna's cloth and everything.
preparano
Then,
tutti i vestiti.
After a few minutes, then Lalita, Visakha, all Ashtasakis,
tutte le
they enter, and Radha Krishna they seated on very nice, beautiful Ratna Simhasana.
fanno sedere su un bellissimo trono di fiori e gioielli.
And that time they also do Arati. Mangala Sri Guru Gaura Mangala Murati, Mangala Sri Radha Krishna Jugala Piriti, Mangala Nishanta Lila, Mangala Udayi, Mangala Arati Jage Bhakata Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Actually, this is your Govinda Lila Amrita.
Queste sono tutte
Then,
descritte nel
after
Govinda Lilamrita.
Mangala Arati,
Dopo questo
then-
cerimonia l'Arati,
Krishna have to return back to Nandagam and Srimati Radhika should return back to Javat. And Krishna alone he is going to
Quindi Krishna da solo deve
Nandagam
tornare a casa
and
sua
taking rest.
e ritorna a dormire là nel suo letto, in
Sì.
camera sua.
Mother Jashoda,
Yashoda
she did not know.
non lo sa.
The whole night Krishna,
Cosa fa
where
di notte
was he?
Krishna?
Eh? Eh? But when Radha and Krishna left the Kunja, that time their cloth,
Quando
what is
Krishna
called?
hanno lasciato il boschetto, si sono
Exchange.
Exchange. Cloth means
una stoffa.
Uttara.
Uttari, change.
Pitanga.
Srimati Radhika
Quindi
took
Radhika ha preso
Krishna's
lo
pitambar,
scialle dorato di
or
Krishna
Krishna,
e
he took
Krishna ha preso
Radhika's nilambar.
lo scialle blu di
Blue
Radhika.
cloth. And Krishna taking rest very quickly. Krishna came and is taking rest. Mother Jashoda, she came in the room of Krishna and saw, and
Era visto?
Krishna is taking rest, but Krishna's body covered with the
Dorme, ma è coperto
Blue
da
cloth,
uno
blue
scialle
cloth.
blu.
Mother Jashoda Vatsalya Bhav. Mother Jashoda she is thinking maybe last night Krishna and Balaram
Magari Krishna e Balaram ieri
they are playing
hanno giocato insieme agli altri amici.
and
E si
both
sono
are very
scambiati,
naughty boy.
visto che sono
Eh.
dispettosi.
And so his love and affection maybe Krishna took Balaram's
Magari Krishna ha preso
Blue
il
cloth.
scialle
Blue
di
cloth.
suo fratello
for this regard.
e allora ora
eh,
se lo sarà messo
Il vestito
dopo.
che-
is okay. But when Mother Jashoda, not okay. When Mother Jashoda she opened,
Però quando Yashoda ha aperto,
then saw some the red marks
Ha visto
in
il
the
viso? Ha
body
visto
of
delle
Krishna.
macchie rosse, dei segni
Eh.
rossi sul viso delle guance di
And
Krishna.
some sindoor, kumkum in the body of
Rossetto,
Krishna.
il sinduro, quello che hanno sul
Then
viso,
Mother
che hanno
Jasoda
sposato,
thinking,
una polvere
what is
rossa.
this?
Ha detto, che cos'è sta
Mother
roba?
Jasoda, she is thinking, oh, maybe
E Yasoda allora ha pensato,
Last
magari,
evening,
ieri sera,
when Krishna returned
quando
back
Krishna
from the
è
cow
tornato
herding,
dal
maybe
pascolo
her
con
maid servant not properly,
le ancelle
clean
non
to
lo
Krishna.
hanno
and
pulito
maybe
bene.
Jovanas, what is called red, what is called red mud, something also,
Stuck on
that,
Krishna.
some
Still there.
Krishna still there. And sometimes he is thinking, oh, my maid servants they are not properly taking care of my baby.
Allora lei pensa che
She did not
visto
know.
che la-
This is the
questo
kumkum
così
of the
tanto
gopis,
affetto, pensa che le sue ancelle non
breast
l'ha
or something. This.
pulito abbastanza.
But her Vatsala Bhav, she thinking, must be this is the
Lei trova
mud
ha
of
questo
Joguna.
sentimento di genitore, trova queste
Or
risposte.
Krishna is very naughty.
Però Krishna non
Maybe
fa
her
tutto.
maid servant properly clean
Magari
everything.
le mie
but
ancelle
Krishna
lo hanno
again,
pulito, ma poi lui
rolling on the
con-
dirt.
rolling on the
giocare,
dirt and this
si
thing.
è rotolato per
Eh.
terra.
Because Krishna's nature, very naughty.
Perché la sua natura
The
è
baby
proprio
sometimes
che
also
tutto-
in,
i bambini
Rolling.
crying and rolling on the
fanno così,
dust.
no?
eh,
Piangono, si rotolano per terra, toccano
So
il
in this way,
corpo.
Mother just that don't mind.
Quindi Yasoda non aveva
Eh.
nessun dubbio a riguardo.
And some marks also there.
C'erano anche
nails
dei
marks.
segni qui.
Their
di
mother
unghie,
just think,
di
why this
graffi.
nails mark? And they go, maybe
E ha detto,
last night,
forse qui hanno
and
fatto la
Krishna
lotta
Balaram
con
or
i
Subhasiddham,
con gli amici.
when they are playing, babies also are there,
Fighting.
biting to each other.
O si sono
And with the
morsicati
names,
magari.
babies also doing this. Actually, this marks is coming from the
Tutte
gopis.
queste
But Mother Yasoda,
sono tutti
deep
vengono dalle gopi,
Vatsala
dalle
Bhav,
bambine
Graffi.
diventano
Vatsala
dei
Bhav.
graffi, ragazzi.
for this regard, she did not know.
Però lei, visto che mamma non pensa
Then-
mai a queste cose.
Then
Il
Krishna,
suo bambino-
then Mother has so much love and affection with Krishna. So took and cleaned Krishna's whole body
quindi
and start
l'hanno
to
pulito
feeding her breast
e gli ha dato il latte.
and cover the Krishna's face
E poi ha
Mother,
coperto di
when
nuovo.
she
Give me.
gives the milk, that time cover the
Lo
baby's
mettono
face.
qua sotto il velo,
Eh,
coprono
Then
il
Krishna
viso del
just
bambino
closed
mentre lo
eyes
allattano.
and second the breast of Mother just that.
Krishna
In the
lo
meantime,
chiuse,
Kundalata she came.
e Kundalata
Kundalata
si
si told,
entrata e ha detto,
Mother, did you know?
oh Yasoda, lo sai?
Now your Krishna
Tuo
is
Krishna adesso
drinking milk from you.
sta
Actual,
bevendo il tuo latte.
Last night
Però
he performed Ras dance
ieri
with the
notte
gopis.
ha fatto la danza rasa con
Mother
le
just
gopi.
asked, what is the Ras dance?
E lei ha detto, cos'è questa danza rasa?
Ras means many meanings of Ras. Ras means
Rasa, la parola rasa ha tanti
eh,
significati.
playing,
Significa giocare.
understand? Singing. This is also many meanings of Ras. So Vatsala Bhav,
Quindi visto che lei ha
Prantam Srimati Radhika, Ma
questo
Jasoda,
sentimento di-
she thinking Ras
lei
means
pensa che rasa significa
that means my baby
che
Krishna
il mio bambino
is playing
Krishna gioca
with the babies.
con gli altri bambini.
That is also Ras.
Quello è
Sometimes
rasa.
babies also
A
are.
volte i bambini
Hold the baby's hands and dancing, singing.
si tengono in mano e le
So
ballano,
Mother Jasoda
o
is thinking,
saltellano.
this is also Ras.
Quindi lei ha pensato magari ha fatto questo, no?
But Kundalata, she told, no.
Però Kundalata ha detto no,
Night time your son,
di notte tuo figlio
he goes to playing with the gopis.
va a giocare con le gopi.
My mother just
Ma
laughed
Yasoda
and joked.
non-
How possible my
rideva,
small
no? Ma lui
baby
è bambino da
Krishna.
10-12
Eh.
anni, cosa vuoi che fanno?
to do this like night time? How possible he'll go?
Di notte che lui non va.
8 anni aveva già.
8 years.
Eight.
How old is Krishna?
How old are you?
6, 8.
Listen to Krishna Lila.
Quindi Krishna lì
Krishna, when in the lap of Mother Jasoda, Krishna
Baby.
is Jogmaya, not more than 5 years old.
Oh, no.
But same Krishna when in front of gopis, that time 8 or 9 years old.
Ah,
Arriva a 9-10
This is
anni.
Yoga. Bhagavan, he for this God is
La
Bhagavan.
potenza di Yoga Maya.
You try to understand.
È difficile da capire.
You cannot understand, but try to understand.
Non capiamo, però capiamo.
You understand?
yes, yes.
You try to you cannot understand, but try to understand.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because this Krishna, how possible? As a boy
Ma è possibile
in front
che
of Mother
Yasoda
Yasoda, she is 5 years
del
old.
latte, no?
At
4-5
same
anni.
simultaneously,
E
in front of the gopis,
davanti
Krishna
alle
is just
ragazze,
like
diventa
10 or 12 years old.
10-12
How possible?
anni.
But Krishna, this is for the Krishna.
Questo per fare questi
Bhagavan.
giochi passatempi. Lui
Eh.
adotta questo metodo.
Because Krishna manifests all his activity form in front of that types of mellows of his devotees.
Perché Krishna funziona così.
And
Lui
Srimad
guarda
Bhagavatam
chi
gives
è
evidence.
davanti,
When
o
Krishna
sentimenti
entered
che ha
in
il
the
devoto,
arena
non
of
adatta alla forma
Kamsa,
che il devoto
that time
vuole vedere.
12 types of rasas of the devotee, they are looking Krishna as a different form.
12 tipi di sentimenti dei devoti e ognuno vede Krishna con una forma diversa.
This is the evidence in our Shastra. Eh? Here we
Lo
cannot
vede
change.
sempre come un bambino, no? Lui è sempre uguale.
Conditioned soul cannot change his
Noi
body.
non possiamo cambiare. Noi
Baby is
abbiamo
one, your
davanti.
baby is baby.
Always
Se
be
un
baby.
figlio
Always
è
baby.
bambino,
That time
rimane
baby.
sempre bambino.
Eh?
Davanti a tutti.
But
no?
Krishna, in front of
Krishna,
Mother Jasoda,
davanti a Yasoda,
Mother Jasoda, she looks Krishna
vede che
very
è
small
sempre,
baby,
sempre piccolo.
not
4
more than
anni,
5 years old.
Non più di 5 anni.
Eh? And simultaneously, all the gopis,
Simultaneamente tutte le ragazze,
when
le
coming in front of the gopis,
Quando
they are
lui
all gopis,
va
they
dalle
are
gopi,
looking is as like
lo vedono
Kishore age. Kishore Samatya,
nella età Kishore,
youth form.
una forma della giovinezza, 12
Eh?
anni così.
Very nice, beautiful youth form. Well, how possible? But this is called the Yogamaya. And Krishna is Bhagavan. For this
E anche
regard,
lui è
is
Dio, poi c'è
possible.
la potenza di Yogamaya, quindi è possibile per lui.
So now coming in this way,
Quindi eravamo
Kundalata when she jokes
Sì, la
with
realtà
Mother
spirituale,
Jashoda.
così.
Look, now your son is shaking the breast to you, but
Dice
night time he's
Kundalata,
doing
lui
Rasli.
adesso ti stuccia il latte,
But
però di
Mother
notte fa
Jashoda don't
altro.
believe. The Krishna perform Raslila with the gopis.
Fa la rasalila con le
Eh.
gopi.
Ma lei non ci crede.
Eh?
Ma adesso
So
non
now
ci
coming
crede.
in this way, this level. Or here, Srimati Radhika,
In nel frattempo,
now she is going to
Radhika
Javat.
è tornata a casa sua, a
But
Yavat.
she completely was absorbed with Krishna.
E lei è totalmente
And-
assorta nel
And
ricordare
she's so
Krishna.
much tiredness.
È molto stanca.
And she cannot walk alone.
Non riesce a
Just she
camminare
also
da sola.
hold
Si deve appoggiare
and-
a una sua amica
the neck of one gopis,
alla spalla.
Manjari.
Alla sua
Hold the neck
amica
of
da
one
mangiare.
hand, and she's going. And her eyes almost were closed.
E anche gli
Eh?
occhi
Little
sono
bit
così,
open.
no? Semichiusi, stanchi.
Eh? And she's going. And feeling so much pang of separation
Mentre
from
torna a casa sente
Krishna.
tanta separazione di Krishna.
and always remembering to Krishna. In separation,
Ricordarlo.
meeting,
Ovvero
and-
significa che mentre anche se
what
è
is called
separata,
remembrance comes.
ricordandolo, lei
You
lo
understand?
incontra.
Viraha Milan. Srimati Radhika, she is thinking still she is with
È
Krishna.
talmente intenso questo
She's
ricordo
thinking,
che
I am with
sente
Krishna.
che è ancora con Krishna.
And she can't open her eyes,
E quindi non vuole
but
aprire
still
gli occhi,
she is going
però
and
cammina
holding the neck of her any Sakis.
appoggiata alla sua amica.
And in the when Srimati Radhika's what is called bell cloth,
Quindi il
and
suo
also
scialle
and touching the ground,
si strusciava per
Eh.
terra.
and maybe some thorns, and
E alcune
Sì.
spine che
in
ci sono
Vrindavan,
nel bosco
they hold.
si sono
Then Srimati
infigliate
Radhika-
dei buchi nel velo.
She is saying, Balo Balo Opi. Hey Krishna, you are completely you are innocent.
Sono ingarbugliate nelle
Eh?
spine.
Sì, si è ingarbugliata nel-
Srimati Radhika, she is saying this, Balo Balo Opi. Hey Krishna, you are completely innocent.
Krishna, tu sei
Eh.
una persona innocente.
Now I am going to
Io
Jabat
sono
my
tornato a casa.
home.
Jabat.
Or now you are
Però tu invece mi tiri il
now you are
ancora
what
il
is
velo,
called
no?
pulled my
Mi
sari.
stai tirando il
Eh?
sari.
This is not good.
Non va bene.
If anybody will see Braj,
Perché se qualcuno
then they
vedrà
will be
nel
also criticized
villaggio,
to me and also
mi
to you.
criticheranno se mi vedono che
Eh?
abbiamo questa relazione
Then one
nascosta.
Sakhi of Srimati
Una
Radhika, she
Sakhi,
told,
amica di
Hey
Radha,
Radhe, here is not Krishna
ha
here.
detto, Radhe, non c'è Krishna qui.
Hey, look, your sari
Il tuo
already
sari si
are
è impigliato
Oh,
dentro
eh?
al cespuglio
Caught in the net.
caught
spinoso.
in the throne. Then Srimati Radhika,
Radhika
she become very ascended.
si
You
è
will become
vergognata un
suddenly you
pochino.
become do this. Anybody knows your very confidential things. Then you will become.
Perché ha parlato,
Yes,
ha detto una cosa
Eh?
che
Oh my
stava
God.
nel
Maybe
suo
my
cuore, l'ha
my
detto ad
Sakhis,
alta voce, allora si è un po'
they know
vergognata.
everything. In this way, Srimati Radhika she is going
E così
And-
Radhika è tornata a casa.
on the way, and all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they also glorify
Tutte le
Krishna's
Sakhi,
very
le
nice,
amiche di
beautiful.
Radhika,
Lila
cantavano
Katha.
i
Then Srimati
passatempi
Radhika
di
she
Radha
absorbed with
Krishna.
Krishna
Lei si è assorta ancora di più.
and coming in Javat
È arrivata a
and
casa
taking rest
e
in
si è
her
stesa
own
anche
room.
lei nella sua stanza.
And next room, Lalita Visakha
Nella stanza adiacente c'è la
or
Lita Vishaka,
Manjaris,
i suoi
they are taking
assistenti.
rest. Here, sun rises,
Il
But
Sì, era
still,
sordo.
Srimati Radhika, she is
Ma Radhika
sleeping.
stava ancora dormendo.
After Brahma Murta, you sleep, then more deep sleepiness will come.
Dice che se dormi dopo il Brahma Murta.
Most of the people, they want to sleep
During
Quando sta per sorgere il sole.
after Mangalarti.
Dice che alcuni devoti fanno il Mangalarti e poi tornano a dormire.
Many devotees. By for they are coming Mangalarti. After Mangalarti, then again. And that's very, very best.
Quel momento per dormire è il migliore.
sweet sleep.
Sweet sleep coming. So Srimati Radhika in the same way. End of night, she's returned back
Dici
from the Kunja.
che circa le
And
4 di mattina
in her house,
lei torna a
she's
casa
sleeping.
da sua,
Eh?
anche se già sta
But here sun rays come from the windows.
sta già
Then Jyotila,
illuminando la
Kutila,
stanza.
they're thinking, why Srimati Radhika is
Jyotila e
sleeping
Kutila, la
today?
suocera e la
long?
cognata,
Why she is
dicono,
not waking
perché sta così a dormire così
Then
tanto?
Jyotila
La
first
suocera,
enter.
allora Jyotila
And
entra in
mother-in-law
casa di
and daughter-in-law.
Radhika.
Their name is very sweet names. What is their name? Jyotila and Kutila. Kutila means kut.
Kutila è un
Kut means
verso,
always looking others fall.
significa
That is
che
kut.
colei che guarda sempre gli errori degli
Eh?
altri.
Or Jyotila means making many things in complex and big.
Big.
If this thing is very small things, they will be also propaganda big way.
Jyotila invece significa la
Understand?
persona
As like
che
media.
da una cosa piccola la fa sembrare
Media understand?
gigantesca.
Media going to the place and taking the photo and spread all over the world.
Adesso
Big,
Eh?
big
fanno
issue.
una foto
Big
che
issue.
sembra una cosa,
Maybe something little bit
pubblicano e
big happen.
uno scandalo.
And the
Invece
propaganda?
non è vero.
It's a big issue.
Big. Then and also that in newspaper they
Headline.
headline big way.
Che poi
Actually
tutti i
nothing
giornali
happened but something
ci
happened.
vanno tutti
And they print the newspaper first page.
tutti dalla prima
And
pagina,
whole
sì.
Italy completely
Flooded.
flooded.
Dove origine?
Maybe somewhere little bit flooded.
Dice,
People
magari fanno una foto di una
Displaced.
cosa un
that
pochino
display this thing,
allagata
but they
e
will
il
hold
giornale tutta l'Italia è allagata.
because this is the nature of the media.
Questi sono i
Media
media,
means
no? La natura.
Media, mostly media, they have to speak this way.
Tutti
False
i
thing.
media più che altro vanno sulle
So
notizie
Jyotila,
false,
Kutila,
sulle
they are
cose
as like
notizie. Quindi Jyotila e Kutila sono proprio così.
Eh? So for this regard, their name is called Jyotila or Kutila. Kut. Understand? Some ladies, they are also
Alcune
nature.
donne hanno questa natura
Always kut, looking
di
the
fare il
faults.
gossip, di vedere
They are not like the
gli
others.
altri.
They are working. But they are blah 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 blah. Mostly they are
Stanno
old
sempre a
ladies.
chiacchierare di queste cose, anche
Young ladies, they are not
le-
mostly
le
the
donne
old
anziane.
ladies in India.
Gossip.
Sono gossip,
E lotto.
cosa indossano,
E lotto.
cosa vanno, con chi parla, e poi tra di loro
Now coming, maybe Jyotila, she came in the room of Srimati Radhika.
quindi Jyotila, la suocera, è entrata in stanza di Radhika.
Jyotila, when she saw Srimati Radhika
Jyotila
sleeping,
ha visto Radhika dormire
and covered
coperta
Krishna's
dalla scialle gialla
blue,
Krishna.
yellow cloth, then her eyes become
Gli
red.
occhi si sono sbarrati.
Huh? Why Krishna? Why Lolita? Srimati
Ha
Radhika?
detto, perché
She's
Radhika
taking the cloth of
ha
Krishna. She
addosso
became
la
angry
scialle
and
di
shouted
Krishna.
loudly.
Ha cominciato a urlare.
And she came
Ha
out
chiamato
the room of Srimati Radhika and called all the old prominent
ha
ladies,
chiamato tutte le donne
in
anziane di
Vrindavan.
dintorni,
Purnamasi and others,
Purnamasi,
Più importante.
because sometimes they just say, hey, why you do disturb your...
perché tutti la prendono in
daughter.
giro questa Jyotila,
Look.
che critica
So
sempre
for this he
Radhika,
called,
no?
hey Purnamasi, you are not believe.
Quindi adesso voleva
Look,
chiamare proprio le
Srimati
persone.
Radhika
C'era la
said,
prova.
Vedete, ho la prova che
she must last night met with Krishna
di
and
sicuro
Krishna's
no,
cloth.
ieri notte si sono incontrati, no?
When heard this, then Rupa Manjari, she is very clever.
Allora quando ha sentito
Very
Rupa
quickly,
Mangiare,
she
immediatamente
entered in the
è
room
entrata
of
nella stanza di
Srimati Radhika and she took Krishna's
preso
pitambar
il
and
scialle
hide
di Krishna, l'ho nascosto
and put
sotto la
Srimati
sua
Radhika's blue
gonna e ha
cloth.
messo il suo velo blu.
Then Purnamasi and others ladies came and
tutte queste donne
Jyotila
sono entrate in
si again
camera con la
came.
suocera.
And then Purnamasi just says,
Purnamasi
hey,
ha detto, beh,
where is the
cos'è sta
pitambar
cosa?
here?
Dov'è sto pitambara
Blue
giallo?
cloth.
Non lo vedo.
Hey, yellow cloth. Why are you saying the yellow cloth? No, I saw just now.
Già ti detto, no,
Arre,
no,
no, no.
un secondo
Now
fa.
you are old.
Tu no,
Your
guarda che sei
eyesight
vecchia,
not
ti vedi
perfect.
male.
First rays of sun when coming, that time you are blue, you are thinking this is yellow.
Fa un altro
You
colore,
come
no?
outside. Look.
Vedi?
This is blue or yellow. Then
Non
Jyoti
riesce
like,
a
oh
distinguere il
yes.
giallo dal blu.
Maybe I am
Forse
old.
sì.
For this regard, I lose my eyesight. I thinking this is.
Non avevo gli occhiali quando l'ho visto.
Then she was, oh.
Si
Then
è scusata.
Purnamasi and others,
Tutte le
old
altre
ladies, heavy
signore
chastised
anziane l'hanno
to Jyoti
Esatto.
Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Bolo Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he is giving blessing to us.
Quindi
Bhaktivinoda Thakur what is saying? বলে এই লীলা just we sing this. দেখিয়া অরুণোদয় বৃন্দা দেবী ব্যস্ত হয় কুঞ্জে নানা রব করাইল সুখসারি পদ্ম শুনি উঠে রাধা নীলমণি সখীগণ দেখি হৃষ্ট হইলাম কালোচিত সুললিত কক্ষটির রবিভীত রাধা কৃষ্ণ সতৃষ্ণ হইয়া নিজ নিজ গৃহে গেলা নিভৃতে শয়ন কইলা দুয়ে ভোজি সেই লীলা স্মরিয়া এই লীলা স্মরর গাও কৃষ্ণ নাম কৃষ্ণ লীলা প্রেমধন পাবে কৃষ্ণ ধাম Bhaktivinoda Thakur giving blessing to us in this verse. When you chant holy names and remember this lila, ei lila smaro ar gao Krishna naam. In this lila, you remember and chant holy names. Then you will attend to Krishna lila premadhan. Vrindavan Bihari Thakur ki jai, Jai Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki jai, Ramanujari ki jai, Ramanujari ki jai, Devi ki jai, Premanand Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bolo Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda, Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda. Bolo Radhe 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 Radhe. Radhe 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 Radhe. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. কবি কৃষ্ণ ধন পাব
Non ce l'abbiamo questo.
No? Cabe Krishna.
কবি কৃষ্ণ ধন পাব
No.
You have?
No.
No?
C'è?
There's an English book. You must know.
Ah, in the English book, yes. In quello lì piccolo c'è.
Dana Pavuia sua.
Dov'è?
Dove è lì?
Io l'ho letto quella piccola qualche giorno fa.
Eccoli qua.
কবে কৃষ্ণ ধন পাব
142.
ইয়ার মাঝারে থোব কবি কৃষ্ণ ধন পাব ইয়ার মাঝারে জুড়াইব তাপিত পরাণ জুড়াইব তাপিত পরাণ সাজাইয়া দিব হিয়া বসাইব প্রাণ প্রিয়া your heart burns.
Yes.
Very
Yeah,
bad.
yeah.
Give me some flowers.
Yes.
Preparati, si ricorda. Ah, sì, sì. I have to take pictures from for her. While you do the ceremony, I have to take pictures. So she has the
Adesso.
memory.
Okay.
She will have the video as well.
Ah, dice che c'hai pure il video su YouTube.
If you don't want, we won't do it if you don't want.
Dice che se non vuoi
Ma
però
ci
non ti
vuole.
filma. No, vabbè.
Boh.
She will be happy to know.
Look, listen.
Le foto però.
Aspetta.
Vieni. Vieni qua.
क्या बोल रहे?
Mettiti
Siedo, sto
qui.
in piedi.
No, mettiti seduta, sì.
She doesn't mind to video.
No,
No, no.
il video.
Nothing.
Tu sai,
Only 300 people.
Aspetta, sto facendo le foto.
Ah, sì.
4 people are watching.
Okay, take away the flowers, everybody hand. Could you bring more flowers? You have many flowers.
Yes, yes.
After a full,
Yeah,
yeah.
more.
I do गई जाना तो कोई था हाँ देखो फूल है बाहर से
Emozionato. Lila.
Okay, everybody give blessing, eh?
Yes, yes. Dice stai qua che bisogna dargli le benedizioni.
No garland? You didn't
Ah, no, we didn't make the garden.
Yesterday garland had that.
Yeah.
Ah, yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
Nobody took, only this is yours. Una presciante.
Give to us.
Una presciante per dire.
Okay, बोलो ओम
Om
तद्विष्णु
Tadvishnu
परमं पदं सदा पश्यन्ति सूरयो दिविव चक्षुरादतं नमो ब्रह्मण्णो देवाय ब्रह्मण्णो हिताय च जगद्धिताय कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः स्वस्ति नो गोविन्दः स्वस्ति नो अच्युतानन्तो स्वस्ति नो भवनो भागवतो ददातु माधवो माधवो वाची माधवो माधवो हृदे स्मरन्ति साधव सर्वे सर्व कार्येषु माधव रावस्तेषा जस्तेषा कुतस्तेषा पराभव जेषाम् इन्द्रवर श्यामो हृदस्तु जनार्दन ॐ सर्वमङ्गलं भवतु तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
In Italian.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
How do you say Italian?
Body cake to me.
There's no Italian.
Sì, Tanti
Auguri a te. Tanti auguri a te. Tanti auguri, Lurini. Tanti auguri.
जपमाला की
il tuo giapamale, daglielo. Tutto saffetto.
No.
with the faith.
Bim, eh?
Name Japamala, you know.
Yes. Ma aspetta che...
Both appearance day.
Yeah.
Ok.
Very
Spiritual
auspicious.
and
Mangala.
Manga. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna, Hare Okay?
Jai.
Hare Krishna,
Ripeti, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jai Shri Gurudev ki
Jai.
Almost like the Chinese. Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Okay? Never give up Guru and never give up Harinam.
Dice non abbandonare mai il guru, mai l'Harinama.
Okay?
Thank you so much.